Hi, I'm Dipali Mittal. I'm the founder and creator of Elements by Nirvana. I travel a lot in the world, and whenever I used to see some piece of art, I wanted to bring it here to Hyderabad because there is a dearth of curated pieces which you can relate to, and everyone wants to have a story of their own in their house. The biggest challenge is to find that right piece which you can resonate with. So, here we also offer customization, so whatever you can imagine in your house, we can give it to you. Elements basically wants to appreciate the craftsmanship of the skilled artisans from across the world, but also we want to promote Indian artisans and Indian craftsmanship. So we also have antiques which have survived more than 100 years or 150 years because of the quality of the material and the craftsmanship involved, which you cannot find anywhere else in the world. It's been a journey of 1.5 years. The biggest challenge was handling the logistics. When you want to import something from some other country, everyone's not sure about the customs, and getting that one piece is not very easy. Even we had our own struggles where, I'm not from a very architectural background or an interiors background. So, to get that kind of market share, to make people aware of a store like this existing, it was the biggest challenge. But slowly we have been building relationships. We have had some customers who have come to us after going to many stores, for looking for that one piece which they wanted to have, but they were not able to source anywhere. So over the last 3 years, I have been particularly personally handpicking all the products, and I have a very strong personal relationship with all the suppliers and the artisans so that we can give everything that you require. Most of our products are sourced from Indonesia, China, Italy, and Vietnam, Malaysia, many different countries all put together. I have to travel, I visit exhibitions, I go to the production factories and to their workshops and everything, and based on the quality and the the details of the craftsmanship along with the material details, we try to promote sustainability as much as possible, and going to the smaller artisans who have a problem selling their products. So because they do not have the network or the means to sell their products, and to give them like a fair chance of surviving in the business and to keep that kind of craftsmanship alive in the world, it is very important for people like us who have the means to have a business like this and to collaborate with them directly. That becomes a challenge, plus that is also a kind of something that encourages me to keep going on this project. We try to promote Indian craftsmen who have built who have been in this business for century, who have the craftsmanship and the skills have been passed on from generations to generations. We have like doors and the Indian products like brackets and everything which are like almost 200 300 years old. So we are trying to continue our legacy into this field, and how I source it is by going specially to all those small villages where that craft is basically from, and picking products directly from there. Traveling and selecting the products are a big part of my life right now, and also we are I try to provide you with as many solutions as possible. We are a one-stop solution for all your home decor needs. From customization to even if you go somewhere and you like something, we can source it for you. We have built that kind of network with the logistics companies, with the customs and everything, so that it becomes easier for you to get anything that you want. We also do home visits to suggest you what goes, and we are always keen to hear your story behind a particular concept that you want in your house in a particular area. So we would love to come, see, and then curate a piece specially which is meant for you, not just any piece you have to randomly pick because you don't have choice. So I truly believe Hyderabad needs more choices, more options, and something that you can pick whatever appeals to you personally. We have products ranging from the range of like 2000 to or 5000 for gifting purposes till it goes to 25 lakhs, which are our statement pieces, which is one of its kind. So like, you know, when we buy products from Indonesia, they have their own special techniques of extracting roots and working with the high quality wood, which will last for generations. So one thing I want to tell everybody is, when you buy an art piece, it is not just for decoration in your house, it is an investment. With the natural resources depleting through the face, from the face of earth, every piece you buy right now, if it is sustainable and if it goes on for centuries, and if it, like, you can have it in your house, you can pass it on to the next generation who might not be able to either afford it, or it might not even be available anymore. So consider art as a piece of investment in your house, more than just decor. To know more, to connect with us, and to search through our catalogs, please visit our Insta page, which is Elements by Nirvania, and or our website, which is nirvaniaelements.com.